Replacing an 8-port PON service board of the MA5603T. Record the cable connections. Please pay attention to these items. Remove the cables and optical modules. Loosen the captive screws on the panel of the service board. Pull the ejector levers to 90 degrees to the panel of the service board. Smoothly pull out the service board along the slot and dispose of the service board according to the specifications. Please pay attention to these items. Insert a new service board into the slot along the guide rails. When the ejector levers are in contact with the service subrack, pull the ejector levers to 0 degrees to the panel of the service board and tighten the captive screws on the service board. Please pay attention to these items. Insert the optical modules and connect the cables according to the recorded positions. Check the run alarm indicator on the service board. If the indicator blinks green once a second, the service board is running properly.